Hello and welcome to GVSU Library's tutorial on subject searching. In this video, you will learn how to save time by knowing how to conduct a subject search, where to find subject terms, and how to use article abstracts. While doing research, a lot of time is wasted sifting through articles trying to determine whether or not they are relevant to your topic. For example, let's do a keyword search in Academic Search Ultimate, a popular interdisciplinary database. We can find this database by clicking on Databases under the search bar and searching Academic Search Ultimate. Let's search for the phrase global warming, which brings in a large number of results. While keyword searches look in all fields, subject searches look in only one, the subject field. The subject field basically lists the topics found in a given article, so searching this field will only return articles that address your topic. For example, using the keyword food deserts gets a large number of results. If we do this same search but as a subject search, we get a much smaller, more focused number. This means that there were lots of results in the previous search that weren't necessarily going to help us with our research. Think about subject terms as signs in a grocery store. If you're looking for yogurt, you might not find a sign that says yogurt, but you will find a sign that says dairy. In this case, dairy is the subject term that the store uses to group all dairy items together. Knowing which words a store uses will help you find exactly what you need. Likewise, knowing which words a database uses to describe your subject will help you find what you need. You can find these words, called subject terms, within the database itself, but they aren't always found in the same place. Some databases, such as MLA, list their subject terms in a thesaurus. Others, like JSTOR, use the phrase browse subjects. Academic Search Ultimate lists theirs under subject terms at the top of the page. If we were to search for the phrase food deserts here, we'll be able to see the terms used by the database to describe our topic. Clicking the term directs us to a page that defines how the database uses the term, broader subjects to use, and related subjects. Food deserts is the most precise term to use in this database, so using it in our subject search will yield the best results. If you don't see a direct link to a thesaurus, you can still find a database's subject terms for your topic. Just do a regular keyword search for food deserts, and you will see the search terms listed underneath each result. However, they're only useful if the article is useful. So what's a quick way to find out if an article is relevant? Use the abstract. An abstract is a short summation of an article's subject matter, purpose, and conclusion. If you're unsure of whether an article is going to be useful to you, read the abstract. It saves you from having to read the entire article only to discover it didn't have the information you needed. Still have questions about subject searches? Ask your professor or contact the library at one of our service desks, through chat, by making an appointment with a peer consultant at the Knowledge Market, or by getting in touch with your subject librarian.